Good morning, students. Our next topic is standard time. All the places on the different meridians would have the different local times. To avoid the confusion of the local time, the standard meridian time has been adopted and it is fixed according to the location of the centralmost longitude of the country. For example, in India, we have chosen 82.5 degree east as our standard meridian. As you know, the India is located at the east of the Greenwich. India is located at the east of the Greenwich. Here is India and it is located at the east of the Greenwich. So as we move towards the east, we gain 1 day. And as we move toward the west, we lose 1 day. For example, if there is 2 p.m. in London, means it is noon. So in India, it will be 7:30 p.m. How it is possible? Because India is 5.5 hours ahead. Because India is located in the eastern side, so it is 5.5 hours ahead. If we add 2 plus 5.5 is equal to 7:30. Clear? So India is, the places of the prime meridian will be ahead of the Greenwich time, and the places of the prime meridian which is in western side will be behind. So it will decrease and it will increase. And our next topic is grid. What is grid? Grid is a network of the parallel of the latitudes and meridians of the longitude. Where these places meet, where these two lines meet, it is known as grid. Why we need a grid? What is the need of the grid? Grid help us to locate or find out the exact location of a place. For grid, we need to know about the latitudinal degree and also the longitudinal degree of that place. Next is heat zones of the earth. In the earlier class, I have just introduced the latitudes and degree of the latitude, important latitudes. First is why this heat zone arises. What is the need of the heat zone? Heat zone arises due to the unequal falling of the sun rays due to the spherical shape of the earth. Our earth is spherical in shape. So the unequal falling of the sun rays has given rise to this heat zone. So there is 3 type of zone: torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Torrid zone, which lies between the tropic, between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and this zone receives the maximum amount of heat due to the direct sun rays, because the rays of the sun fall directly on this zone, and it ranges between the tropic and experiences very hot climate. Next zone is temperate zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, and in the southern hemisphere it lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. And this zone experiences moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold, and sun rays always fall in slanting. And next is frigid zone. In frigid zone, the temperature is very cold and it lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. And the sun the sun does not rise much above the horizon. In this chapter, these are the topics which I have covered, and in the next class we will read the next chapter. Thank you.